simplify. Okay, we are given this simplify 3a square c square b to the power of 4 real c or bracket close to the power of 3. So feel free to pause this video and see if you can attempt it. Okay, let's do it together now. This thing, remember, this was when we looked at the third rule of indices. When you have a power outside the bracket, all the values, all the numbers in that bracket will get or possess the power outside. So if you are simplifying this, you're going to begin by doing it like this. So this is something as when you distribute the power outside the bracket, this is something as 3 to the power 3 times a squared to the power 3, all right, times b to the power 4 q times c to the power 3. Okay, so when you keep simplifying this guy, you're going to have 3 to the power 3 will give us 27. We have 27 times, now we now have a to the power 2 times 3 times b to the power 4 times 3 times c to the power 3. Now, when you break it down further, our final results will be going to have 27 times a to the power 2 times 2 give us 6, and we have times b to the power 4 times 3 will give us 12, then times c to the power 3. So finally, the other way you can represent this, you can bring them together. It's something as 27 a to the power 6, right, b to the power 12, and c to the power 3. So that will be the results or the answer to this question. Okay, so let's wipe this down by another example. You will solve. Let's wipe this. Okay, now what if we have something like this? Let's say you're giving g to the power 6. The power is fraction 1 over 2. Okay, this emptiness. So this power inside will multiply the power outside. So it's emptiness g to the power 6 times 1 over 2. This emptiness g to the power 6 over 2. So these two cancel this 6 here. So the result will be g to the power 3. Alright, so that's how to solve this kind of problem. Now, what if we have something like, let's say 6 to 5? We have 3 to the power 4. Just like this is an example of the 10th rule we looked at. So this thing is something as, firstly, you find the 4th root of this expression 6 to 5. Then raise it to the power of this numerator. Alright, so that's the idea. So this is going to be the 4th root of 6 to 5 will give us 5, because 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 will give us 6 to 5. 5 times 5 we have 25. Alright, 25 times 5 will give us 125. So 125 times 5 will give us 625. Okay, so now that we have the 4th root to be 5, so the last thing is going to be 5 to the power 3. Okay, so which will give us what? 125. This same as 5 times 5 times 5 will give us what? 125. That will be the answer. Okay, now what if we are given, let's wipe this. Okay, now what if you have something like you are given 25 to the power negative 1 over 2. Alright, so firstly, this negative sign, you find the reciprocal of 25. So it's going to give us 1 over 25. So now you can, this power 1 over 2, you can distribute it. So this 1 over 2 will come here. So this is something as 1 over, they apply this law of indices here, going to give us square root of 25. So this is something as 1 over 5. That will be the answer. What if you are giving something like, let's say you have 49 to the power minus 2. Okay, same thing as, just like this example, same thing as 1 over 49 to the power, the same thing as 1 over square root of 49, give us 1 over 7. That's the answer. And lastly, before we end the class, what if you're given something like 27 over 216, 27 over 216, bracket close, and we have the power to be minus 1 over 3. So we have 3 here. This is the same thing as, let me wipe the up. Okay, so this is the same thing as, since we have a negative power, a negative fractional power, right? So we're going to invert it. The same thing as 1 over 27 over 216. Alright, this same thing as 1 divided by 27 over 216. So we apply the multiplication rule or division rule. So when you change this to multiplication, you invert what you have here. So the same thing as 1 times 216 over 27, which is the same thing as 216 over 27. Now that we have done this, we can now put the fractional power without the minus. So we have 1 over 3 here and 1 over 3 here as the, let me write it this way. So we have 1 over 3 and 1 over 3 as the power. Now, to apply the indices rule here again, this is the same thing as cube root of 216. This is 6 over cube root of 27. Alright, so cube root of 216 give us 6, and cube root of 27 give us 3. So 3 into 6 will give us 2. So 2 will be the final answer to this question. It's as simple as that, guys. So this is basically how you can deal with problems involving laws of or rules of indices or power and rules of values for algebra. I hope you learned something interesting from this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of this video below for link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join our Telegram channel for instant notification. Also, ensure you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Also, like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding these laws of indices or these power and rules of values, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. That's it for this class, guys. Now check the end screen above, click on it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.